Alright, I've begun work on my Heathkit sb220, which is unrecognizable right now because I got it all torn apart. I got the faceplate off here. Biggest problem I'm facing is this rectifier board. We have some major carnage here. I mean, I'm not even going to test that resistor. That's got a hole in it. This is supposed to be a resistor, not a fuse. And then it's kind of hard to do one hand, but the rectifier board here, you got this conglomerate of resistors. One looks kind of cooked. I mean, we got some janky shit going on here. The good thing about it, the whole mess, is when I got this unit and I fired it up for the first time, and I looked at the voltage, and it was up to snuff. You know, the capacitor bank's all okay. Let me show you what I got next. Here we have replacement rectifier board from a company called Harbach Electronics LLC, who I recommend a lot. And right now I'm in the process of soldering in my 22 diodes, and after that you get your resistors, get some more diodes over here, and that's the resistor that had the big hole blown in it. There's a fuse in that position on the other rectifier board. It's a resistor on this one, and of course that resistor there. Not a big deal. It's just I'm really impressed with this company and their products, and they're making my life a lot easier restoring this sb220 2kW linear amplifier from Heathkit. Probably last me the rest of my natural born life, and then the next guy after me. So that's all the fun I have for you tonight.